So the question is whether we should use this large reserve available in the country for our development or not. Today I think you are aware, you are all from the media, you are aware that the government has also taken a stand. If all the developing countries have taken a stand, including South Africa, that if we have a large coal reserve, we should use it for power generation. So today, as of now, in India, I think 73% of the power generation is from coal. So this 73%, so today if we, in 24 hours, the power supply in our house, 73%, that is 18% of the power supply in a day is coming out of coal. So this is one thing we need to understand. Even South Africa is 83%. Even the most developed country, US, it is 19%. Japan, it is around 30%. So when we speak about reducing the fossil fuel, etc., yes, we have to reduce. But the first question is whether a country should use its reserve for its development. When we have an Amrit Kaal vision of 2047, the government, the country has also taken a stand. Yes, we need to use our coal for the power generation. Then the question comes, and why are we importing coal? We are importing coal because our country's reserve is mostly non-coking coal, which is low-grade, thermal coal. Our requirement is for steel, etc. Our requirement is coking coal and high-grade thermal coal. Where is this coking coal going? The coking coal is being used for steel manufacturing. The steel gets exported, steel gets consumed in the domestic market. Why are we importing high-grade thermal coal? Because we have only low-grade thermal coal in the country. We need to mix the high-grade thermal coal and the low-grade thermal coal for power generation. So if you ask me how many power plants are in the country which is based on coal, I think over 200. There are over 200 power plants in the country depending on coal, producing 73% of the power which we require. So when you ask, do we need coal or not? So that is the thing. It is not that port wants to import coal. It is the country needs coal today because 73% of the power generation is from